working with Alpha. Anywhere applications and encountered an ADB file? This is a database file from the Alpha Anywhere Rapid Application Development Platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. Note on preparation: make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the P2H file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. P2H files are uncommon application-specific files with limited public documentation. They may be configuration, project, export, or binary data, depending on the creating software. P2H files do not have a reliable universal opener. Preserve the file exactly, identify the application that produced it, and inspect only a copy. The official utility recommended for the P2H file is FileViewPro by Solvusoft. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows displays only the file name, meaning full access needs software not commonly available today. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the P2H file and click Open With. If FileViewPro is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. If your P2H file is not opening yet, that is normal. The nature of the P2H format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, check associated files. Look for matching P2H file names next to project files, logs, media, or exported assets. Related files can reveal the parent application. Next, inspect headers. Use a hex viewer or text editor on a duplicate to search for product names, readable headers, or encoding clues. Do not resave the inspected copy unless instructed by the source application. Finally, use vendor guidance. If the file belongs to a business or device workflow, contact the vendor or sender for the correct application, rather than forcing it into unrelated tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.